Alright, so we need to, first of all, integrate x log x. We know we can differentiate log x, but we can't integrate it. So we know we're going to integrate the x part. So if I integrate the x part, I just write this first. I've got, and I should put a dx there. Do that properly. There we go. So I'm going to integrate x squared on 2. There's my integration, and leave the other one minus, I've got my x squared on 2, and then I'm going to differentiate log x. Now when I do that, I get the x squared on 2 log x. I also get, so this bit here will just become x dx, which we know is x squared on 2. So I'm going to end up getting, or I'll get a half, and then here I'm going to get my x squared on 2. So if I put that all together, I might put an x squared on 4 out the front. So I've got 2 log x's, and this will end up being minus 1. Alright, how can I use that to do the next bit? So now we want to do, so I'm going to remember that that bit is x log x, so that is the integral of x log x dx. So now if I want to integrate x log x squared, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to get x squared on 2 first, and then I've got log x squared minus, so I've still got my x squared, I've got on 2, and then I'm going to differentiate the log x all squared. So the 2 is going to come down, then I've got log x to the power of 1 dx. Alright, so you can see there, if I just, so I've got x squared on 2 log x squared minus, here, oops, I forgot, of course I forgot here. So when I put the 2 down to the 2 down the front, becomes log x to the power of 1, but then of course I've got to go inside using the chain rule and differentiate log x. Sorry, I forgot that one. That helps a lot, because you can see then that what we end up here is an integral of x log x dx when I simplify, and that's up here. So we know we're going to get x squared on 2 log x all squared minus all of the question above, which was this bit. Alright, so if we put that together again, I'm going to put x squared on 4 at the front. So here I'm going to get 2 log x squared. Here I've got the x squared at the front now, so I've just got 2 log x, and then minus minus, so it's a plus 1 there, plus c. So that's your answer. So just going over again the bit that I missed there. So if I was doing log x squared and differentiating, the 2 would come out the front. I've got log x, and then by chain rule I'm going inside and differentiating log x. So I get 1 on x. So just making sure all of that is, so that bit, and that bit there. Alright, I hope that helps.